Well, hi, and thanks for joining me in my shop. We're going to take a look at this somewhat beat up radio here and see if there's anything to it anymore. Can it still work? So, Panasonic public service band FM AM radio. Let's look it over here. Let's see, I've got the selector here, AM FM public service, power on, power off. Indicator control for the meter. There's a meter here. Loudness on, off. Dial, light, battery check. I'm sure there's no batteries in it. Well, I don't think there is. Let's take a look. A little bit of corrosion in there. I don't know what this is for. Maybe nothing. Oh, there's where the power cord goes in. What's this? Mic mixing. Minimum. Maximum. That's a little odd. Microphone mixing. I got here. Push handle lock. Aha. This side. Interesting. Get rid of the handle if you want. So on the side here, FM, AFC. Huh. Isn't that odd? That's just so odd. They would make a button like that. Microphone input, mix, record out, speaker or headphones, 8 ohms, multiplex out, rhythm in, record out. What? Rhythm in, record out. I have no idea what they mean by rhythm in. How can you have an in and out in one plug there? 6 volts, so it'll run on the 6 volt power supply if you don't have a cord. Of course, no cord has come with it, but I'm pretty sure I have one I can put on there. So tone controls, bass, treble. Ooh, volume. Oh, what's going on here? Oh wow, it's really jammed. What is the problem with that? Huh. It's stuck, but it's stuck just a little bit up from completely off. Wow, I don't know what would freeze it like that. Oh boy. Oh, there it goes. Yes, just needed muscle power. Wow, okay, so some cleaner's probably going to be needed there. This might not even be making contact inside properly. Okay, power cord. Ooh, what's going to happen here? Power cord. So here's my tub of cords here, and I have the feeling the one right on top is going to do it. In she goes. Okay, so we got power. Power switch is off. My shop power's off. As ridiculous as it is, I'll use the dim bulbs here just in case. Are we ready? I'm going to switch on. We're on the AM band, volume's down, on. Not much of a response yet. Volume up. Oh! Mr. Dirty Volume. Oddly enough, the bass and treble controls don't seem to be dirty. How do you tune it? Tune it. Here, let's tune it. Not much happening. Okay, so there's a missing antenna here. Let's try FM. Volume's turned up pretty high here. Let's stick on a antenna of some sort. Probably there's a loop antenna for AM inside. That FM would need something like this. Where to go? I would say nada. Oh, isn't that something? I pushed the battery check. Oh, okay. Sounds really good.
Live on 93.1 Fresh Radio.
Ain't a good time. Is it I know the perfect.
Oh, yeah, make sure the volume's in a working spot here.
Throw my heart on the ground, 'cause tonight.
Okay, AM. Yep. AM. 680. What's happening there? Like turning the tuner seemed to pop it into life. It doesn't want to actually receive anything. Okay, public service band. Now, what in heaven's name could I pick up on this? Put the outdoor antenna back on. Let's see, 148. Looks like it's just above a ham radio band. And the short answer is nothing there to pick up. So, story of this radio is produces good sound on FM. Has potential. Just need to deal with that volume control. Volume control involves spraying some junk in there. It's remotely possible I can just right down through there, which I think is worth trying. I'm just gonna try to shoot some good old WD-40. See if I can do this without even taking it apart. There's a good chance this won't do anything. Should be able to feel it if it's going in. Feel like it's loosening up much. It's a long shot that spraying this stuff along the shaft is going to make it in. Let's see. FM. I don't think so. So we're going to have to take the back off and 1, 2, 3, 4 corner screws, looks like. That looks pretty easy. Let's see if we can get them out of there. Long ones. Another long one. All 3 of them are same length. All 4 of them. Same length. Are you just going to fall off? Whoa! That was easy. So the volume control is right up in here. Perfect. You look, these controls often have openings in the back of the can here somewhere. Maybe not really intended for somebody to spray something in, but nevertheless, it's a spot to do it. Give her a blast. Wow, that's a blast, all right. Seems to have done it. Okay, power cord is live. Line down. Oh. Something a little amiss back here. So this screw, that is, I didn't notice this. This is supposed to be screwed in. The screw is missing. These kinds of things get loose all the time because you're mechanically working them, you know, whipping the antenna around and that, and in the long run, almost no matter what they do, screw comes loose here, or in this case, something's come loose there. That means there's a screw traveling around in here. Doesn't seem to be. Well, that's a bit of a mystery, what exactly is going on there. It's a WD-40 monster now. I don't think we saw the meter work. Okay, switch on. Volume down. Antenna connected. Hey, where's the sound? Another WD-40 job. During that. Oh, I can get right in the back here. Oops. Ha! The switch contacts are all way up in here. Lots of switch contacts. That's got that. Just looking for any other dirty controls here. What's that? Squelch. I wouldn't expect Squelch to do something on FM. Maybe I don't have it on FM. No, it's on FM. You can squelch out FM. Loudness. Okay, so that dial light's coming on. Hard to see. See if I can spray that switch way up in there. Seems alright the way it is. Just a little bit of exercising. Let's put the antenna on again. Hear some of that nice FM sound. Not so sure the loudness switch is doing it. Good show. It's just about all I'm going to do to this. This one. I think. Switch off there, power, so I don't accidentally electrocute myself now. What are we going to do about this antenna of nothing? So the whip antenna is gone, and that little piece, what did I do with it, is of little use, except it provides an external terminal to clip onto. That's about the only way to look at it. What did I do with it? I must have put it in a very careful spot. Here it is. So, my best move with this pretty much be to screw it back in place and leave it sticking out. It's not really a see some threads in there. So I need some kind of a nice little screw that's going to go in there and grab it. Let's see. Okay, so that's going to do it. That'll do it. Pretty sure. Like this. It might be a little big. I don't want to crack the plastic here. Feels pretty good. Yeah, there we go. That'll be it. Okay, throw on the back. Oh, take that out of there. Okay, now I know why there's no screw. actually use one of the back screws to hold this in place. It's just a little bit crazy. The engineer got a bonus in his pay because he saved one screw on the radio here. One, two, I got them all in. All the screws are in. There you have it. That's with no antenna. Done. That's done. That's it. That's it. Fantastic. Wonder what's next.